Uh, Good morning, everyone. Sob mano have a blessing Sunday. Moi aji morning kubuli thakya do. Mr. Makam Chimp, the one of my best friend. I really appreciate with him because, like, which is the words which is not knowing by all have stand a voice, though it is a success or not. I really appreciate to him since we are struggling more thanks to say student laga matters karne tai pishi concern kuri kena to tai pra like pishi tai sacrifice kuri kena student welfare karne to passenger taxi de mokan pishi mar khai ase to charge to pishi lo ase student khan do even a single of rupees 10 rupees like 1 rupees mokan ki kuribo kuri kena bhabi ase bole bi student life reality to moi pura bi kuri saise. Since see like example, if in thousand if you take out 10 rupees, then automatically there will be only hundreds because 10 rupees is already gone like this. Itu nisna economic to itu choto moto tuka du tuka pra mokhala economic to pishi effect kuri ase. Aro bosti mandu moi pishi experience hoi ase moi bosti de pishi pera ase. To bosti mandu kandu like day wages to tai khan la to 100 itu bi pishi ase 100 kheti jabo 100 to bacha khan ke konba to kheti hi chai gena tai khan ge school patha manu bi ase to itu khan mogan patron khan sai kele mogan la especially more concern about pongro area to moi nisna like farmers son itu khan to survive kubole pishi dictar ase to tai bra to voice kuri dia to pishi thanks dia ase at the same time tai itu hi noi aro tai kiki aro upcoming aro aji morning bi paise tai bra private institution de tai khan to salary kam di hoy no moi last side para bi pishi appreciate dia ase to private teacher khan in sacrifice kuri kena to student khan akidi mokan better society change kuri bole karni kam kora khan private so all the private teachers not only the Kifri district but all the Nagaland struggling for the betterment of our society. I thanks to the private association and especially use your keep on raise your voice that public views. Okay, and I very appreciate to you and see keep on rising this kind of words and this kind of like against see our freedom of speech and expression has already given in the uh, six fundamental right under six fundamental right freedom of speech to itu de koran na mukhan right te kobo lage or manuke mukhan la like to nakura or like itu nakhwa laga to nakobo holebi mukhan ki right ase right te to mukhan kitia bi pek nakobo kina moi babi Mr. Game makam chim logobi moi la side te prabi taike appreciate ase ina video to apni kuri thakile pishi bhal hobo kina mokhala society karne pishi bhal hobo kina moi itu especially Mr. Game makam chim logo moi taike appreciate dia ase aro itu message pungchi dia ase so sob manu thank you keep on watching my channel. I'm a new YouTubers. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your family friends. Thank you all. Have a blessing Sunday. Sob manu, alke thakibi. Stay home, stay safe. Bye everyone.